Hello, good evening. Hi. Yes, hello, good evening. Can you hear me already?
Yes.
Yes, good evening. How are you today?
Um,
Okay, have you already eat your dinner?
yes.
Okay, so what did you eat today?
I uh yes. Why?
Okay, you eat. How are you in the school? How are you in the school? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay. So here, okay, do you have a letter already? So I give you a homework, right? To write a letter. Did you make it? Hello?
Yes.
Okay, did you make a letter?
Yeah.
Okay, so are you ready to present your letter?
Yes.
Okay, go. You can read only the letter. So what it's all about? Okay, our last lesson is writing, right? Okay, so this time, I asked you to make a homework, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, can you please read
Mm.
your letter? Okay, go. Can you read for me the letter or you can write it in the chat? Is it already a small letter? No, no, no. A small letter only or a long letter? Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, did you write it or you must to read only? Which is you prepare. You will write or read? Hello.
Yes.
Oh, I asked you, where is your letter?
Oh,
You never sent to me in the Zalo, so that is why I asked you if you want to chat or if you want to read, because that is your homework.
mm,
Hello. So where is your letter?
teacher.
Yes. You cannot hear me?
Yeah, but I don't understand the video.
So meaning you don't understand about the letter?
Yeah.
You don't understand the letter?
Yes.
Oh, so I give you that so that you can answer, but what happened? You never study that?
Because
You forgot to study?
um
You forgot to study? Just tell me the truth so that I can explain to you again. Because we cannot proceed with another lesson if you don't know how to you don't know how to write a letter because we already done in writing, right? So
oh,
all we have to do is to write a letter. So that is why I asked you a letter if you don't know how to write it. But
as I understand is
yes,
the exercise is to writing later.
yes, practice writing letter. So that is why that is your homework. So that you can practice a letter. Okay, did you write that? Yes or no? Just tell me only if you write it or not.
But I don't know what to worry about.
We discussed about already writing, right? So I give
Yes.
you, okay, I will double check first. So here, so your homework is to practice writing a letter based with the letter example that you can understand and familiar in writing letters. So last time we discussed letters. So you never copy the example.
No, I copy.
you didn't copy?
I
Okay,
copy.
you copy.
Yes.
Yes, but why did you not write a letter if you copy the example? You can make a letter with based on the example, okay? So if you have an example, so you can write already a letter. So okay, that is I just remember it is only a practice, okay? So that you will know there's no wrong with your letter. Okay, just put in your mind. Do not always think that you got wrong or you got mistake in writing a letter, right? Because that is only practice. So now I will give you a chance, okay? I will give you a chance for 15 minutes. Yeah, I will share you something. Okay, so here. Okay, so this is our example letter. Okay, can you see my slide, right?
Yes.
Okay, so can you see also the example letter, right? Okay, our example is, Hi Megan, I hope you're well. Thank you for the bracelet. I'm wearing it now. It's beautiful. My sister loved it too, but she can't borrow it. I'm in my bedroom at the moment. I'm listening to music and trying to finish my geography project. It isn't going very well. My brothers are playing football in the garden, so I want to go outside bra. 2. Do you fancy going to the cinema on Sunday or meeting for a coffee? I can't go on Saturday because my grandparents are coming to dinner. My dad is cooking his favorite dish, chicken pie. That's all from me. Please write. So, love for now, Papi. Okay, so that is our example. So, this kind of letter is a thank you letter. Okay? Um, Papi sent a letter for Megan because Megan gave a bracelet for Papi, right? And then Papi was very happy and informed everything what he did, right? So this time, I will give you a chance to write a letter. Okay, I will get your letter at 8 23. 8:23. Okay, so we have 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes to make a letter or 15 minutes to make a letter. So please write a letter about asking apologize. Or you can write your own letter. It's up to you. So what is your favorite letter? Invitation letter, thank you letter, friendly letter, birth. Okay, invitation is just like for birthday, for a party, that is an invitation letter. Okay? So you can write also a thank you letter like Megan. Okay, can you do it? Just try.
Mm.
Just try only. Okay? I will give you 20 minutes to 15 to 20 minutes. Okay? Just focus
Oh,
only. Okay.
it's
So,
true.
yes.
I don't understand the topic there.
Ah, okay. So, just follow this. Okay? This is an example of a letter. So, this letter is thank you letter.
Thank you.
Yes. She sent a letter to Megan because she received a bracelet from Megan. So, if there is someone give you like that, you must send a letter to say thank you. So this is one example. Okay, if you need to write other letters, so you can write invitation letter. Invitation letter is you like to invite for your birthday this coming when, what place, okay, what day. So that's it. Okay? So please write it. Okay, just tell me if you are done also, okay? I'll be muted so that you can focus. Okay, do not
Yes.
worry. Okay, do not worry if you got a mistake. This is only a practice. Just do it with yourself. Just practice, okay? I will check
Yeah.
that. Okay, I will be muted now. Okay? Do not look at me or so that I cannot disturb also with you. Just tell me if you are done. Okay? I will be muted and close. Okay, muted. Teacher will be muted and close the video so that you can focus. Okay? So you will
Yeah.
say to me if you are done. Okay. I will be
Yeah.
waiting for you. Okay, thank you. Okay? We will end first so that we can proceed. Okay? Please come back again. Okay?
Yes.